So we've had a good day.
Hey guys! How are you doing?
We drove to Hope. Did you find a tent then? Oh, no! Oh, okay, we bought a spare one.
Oh, thanks! Put my eyelashes on my eyes. Because at the moment we're a bit bald. Jim, I'm getting really camera shy. Yeah, oh, I don't want to shout. I feel like a new woman. Okay, let's go. It's like Baywatch. Okay, I'm a bit tired now. Day 42. I haven't got any water. Just mango juice from Asda. I'm really hot. I'm not built for this climate. I know, contradictory. This is a tan.
We set up our tents. Took about 3 hours to leave our tent to get to the river. That was a mission in itself.
Tastes like Evian.
I didn't split.
Oh, great. Jim, you're making us walk really far. I'm really tired and I feel a bit dizzy, okay? I can't really see straight. I don't even know if I'm walking straight right now. I'm really struggling. You guys taste good medium rare. I found out that all bulls are male.
Yeah.
Didn't know that. Who knew all cows are female? It's a herd of females. Herd of bitches. District.
We walked to a reservoir in the Peak District, and it began as a struggle because there was a hill.
Jim, this is really bad. Oh.
But it got easier because then there was downhill, and then we climbed over a wall and down to the reservoir.
Can't take the city out of the bar. Carla! What? Maybe you can play. Oh. Guys, that wasn't enjoyable.
Cheers.
Cheers.
And then Jim went swimming.
Is that silent?
Yes.
Ah! I had no idea what the use for that thing was. None. I never touched it. Look, there's no dirt in it. She shouldn't use it.
Tiff dipped in her toe, and then this guy on a boat just comes whizzing over and was like, private property, so you have to get out. So then we all got out and we walked through terrain that looked like it was from Jurassic World.
I feel like Moses. This is so cute, look at that. I'm just not looking.
Eventually found this really nice, like beautiful looking river.
Wow!
And we're like, oh, this is cool. Like, if we could just like have a barbecue on the other side of that, that'd be great. So Jim, like 4 or 5 times, was walking back, taking his stuff. And then I got in and realised that he is just pure lies, because it was like just ice. That's lit. It was just so cold.
Oh my god, there's poo!
How was it, Spliff?
Yeah. Like, did you not stub your toe when you did it? Honestly, I just...
Like, that's why all those reality shows are scripted.
Oh, I was singing. It's fucking great.
Does that?
Yeah.
Oh, it says private. No fishing, no swimming, no boats or canoes. I'm incredible. Oh my god, they're not the same height.
Just with us.
Getting lit. When one of my old home friends got a dog called Mia who cost £700, yes, I know the reason because anywho, Mia used to hate me all the time, and then Billy's like, it's because you're always frightened of dogs, and I was like, yeah, it's not my fault, I got a bet. And then we discovered that, well, Mia's colourblind. All dogs are colourblind, and I think she just senses a shadow. I'm terrified. I'm not gonna lie, I ain't gonna front. I feel a bit dizzy.
Yeah, also my mum doesn't really fit in it very well. Oh.
I actually can't even support my body weight. Haven't got any clean film? Well, prawn and cocktail, crisp sausages, packets. Boom. Boom. That's what David Tennant says. I've got a TARDIS, and so do I. He walks in and I have shat the bed all the way to
So on
like
one
here.
holiday you shat yourself twice?
Yeah. Ow. We're in the tent. Night, Jim.
I can see the sunshine in your eyes. Everyone turns around to see you smile. I feel like a fool in love at your side. Come on, feel my heart. Come on, close to yours.
You look like a cushion. I still eat soap. I don't eat it. So have you ever bought Imperial leather?
Yeah.
Damn. Okay, wash that on your hands and go like that.
No, that's fucked up.
And you do it like a couple of times. Obviously, like not throughout the day, like twice a day, and then like sometimes it gets too much.
I'm not trying to Britain. This bread looks good. There's loads of water there.
This is sound music test.
Be careful.
Oh my gosh,
How did you do that?
and some people don't want to help their girlfriends. Carl, I'm so sorry. I can't help. If I plan it with my back. Yeah. It's bumpy. I feel like a leper. Let's go.
Who's in action mode?
Maybe he's pregnant. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like it might be that one. Oh wait, no. I mean, they all look the same. Oh wow, oh, I don't know how I feel. I'm about to take my shoes off. That's one of them. And then I pooped, and I don't think I flushed the toilet properly, and all I haven't had, like, I think like an hour passed, and my dad screamed. I was like, oh my gosh, there's a white look in the toilet.
Why not?
Yeah, it was my poop.
Wash your hands in that water.
We're looking for a spliff. What do we want to eat?
Cheap, white, crisp wine, £3, 125ml. Good to go. Let's test
Anything in somewhere that's not a shithole.
Jim, I'm just going to thoroughly enjoyed my holiday. 24 hours has felt like 72. Bye.
Bye, Spliff.
Bye. This is so cute.